An ideas room is a welcoming online space which typically happens on Zoom with participants who come to think through an idea or help someone else think through one. The ideas room starts with the question, how are you? Because feelings are important and being vulnerable and showing emotions is absolutely okay. In fact, this helps us restart the thinking process. All participants then share how they'd like to spend their time. In other words, they mention if they've come with an idea they want to explore or listen instead. All ideas are welcomed on the basis that everyone is equal in their thinking, so role, rank, and ego are left at the door. The more diverse the group of participants, the better, as so will be the diversity of the thinking. Participants know this and they feel free to set their ideas alight. Competition is not supported in an ideas room, but encouragement is. Someone may turn up to an ideas room thinking their idea is not particularly good, but if others show encouragement and help enrich the idea by thinking through it, all involved can benefit. Attention, therefore, is placed on every word spoken. When someone speaks, others listen. Based on the participants' answers to how they want to spend their time, groups or pairs are formed. In those groups or pairs, the person who wants to think through an idea explains what their idea is about and asks if others in the group have enough information to respond. Having enough information to think through an idea is very important as it enables higher quality thinking. All in the group take turns to build on the thinking that has already been shared, ensuring the time and space is shared equally. It's quite common for an ideas room to finish off with a round of what's your freshest thinking based on what has already been shared and also appreciate each other while being sincere, succinct, and specific. Although ideas rooms happen mostly online, the physical and virtual environment are quite important. The latter needs to be a place that says you matter, and that can mean different things to different people, but perhaps a clutter free and a quiet environment that encourages you to think. And we all know that thinking needs time. It's not something that can be rushed, and the more at ease you feel, the higher the quality of your thinking. No matter how experienced or confident you may be, there are times when you doubt yourself and you don't take the next step towards a goal or something you have thought about. Incisive questions such as what's stopping you help us remove the limiting assumption. To summarize, these 10 components which underpin the ideas room feelings, equality, diversity, encouragement, attention, information, appreciation, place, ease, and incisive questions are thinking environment components, a communication philosophy invented by Nancy Klein. In March 2020, when the UK went first into lockdown, in an attempt to bring people together across the country, Lou Mycroft and Steph Wilkinson opened up this online space called Ideas Room. And since then, many have taken part and ignited their thinking, tackled their limiting assumptions, and realised their full potential.